Okay, we just came through that path there. That's where the library was. This is the chemistry lab building right here. Now we're going to show you some of the student housing. This building here is Buckham. And over here, this is Fletcher. Over there is Sled. These dorms are all traditional style dorms. These would hold freshmen. Almost all of the dorms on campus are for freshmen, usually sophomore and up. You live off campus, but there is some housing on campus for upperclassmen. And in a traditional style dorm, you'll share a room with anywhere from 2 to 4 people. You might have 4 bunks, or 3 or 2, and the bathrooms are on the hall, so you actually have to leave your dorm to go for showers in the bathroom. And this one here is Thomas, and they do have some common areas for things like washers and dryers, and there's a snack room here. Here's like a courtyard. Looks like you can grill. They have some grills set up. And I believe they have a kitchen area where you can cook. That would be in a common area though. And you can have microwaves and mini fridges in your room, but you have to bring them. In order to access the building, you have to have a card. Your student card, ID card, will let you into your building, but it will not let you into any other buildings. And then of course, it'll also let you into your room. And this is Murphy Hall across the street. There's some parking. There's a stadium in the background. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of this hall. I'll just show you the sign. And then there's the Student Recreation and Fitness Center. And the dorms are spread out throughout the campus. We'll try to show you as many as we can, but we won't be able to see all of them. Okay, from the dining center, just come down right next to it. some more dorms. This is East Hall. It's an engineering, living, and learning center. Here's the right page. Okay, these are all traditional style dorm rooms. So again, you have a bathroom on the hall that you share with all the other rooms. Here's the entrance to Weaver Hall. Riker Hall, right here. And this is North Hall. Again, here's another entrance to the dining hall. Actually, it's exit only. You have to enter on the other side so you can pay or swipe your card. Hey, we are now at Jennings Hall. We're going to go inside and take a tour of one of the dorm rooms. Jennings Hall is traditional style dormitories. There's a courtyard area here. It's one of the common areas.
I always like to begin by describing what actually comes in the room. So if you were a student, you live in one of these, what do you actually get? So of course, every student does get their own bed. Those is you can customize if you put it up high, down low, you want to loft it, whatever you want to do. With that, the room also does come with a desk per student. And the desk is actually comprised of 4 parts. So there's a dresser, the desk itself, a chair, and then another storage part as well, which is pretty cool. Every student does get their own closet space, which is behind me, and then there's always some form of a storage space, which for this building is above the doorway. In terms of the television and the bookshelf on that wall, I would love to be able to tell you that they come with the room. Unfortunately, I cannot. But if you want to bring your own furniture, your own electronics, you're more than welcome to. It will just be your responsibility. And then there are a couple big questions I like to cover before you may have any of your own. The first is whether or not students can or should bring refrigerators and microwaves. My answers to that are not only can you, but in my opinion you should. It's just nice to have your own food in your room. Second is usually from parents, and it's whether or not our buildings are co-ed. So here at UF, the buildings are co-ed, but the floors are not. Pretty simple. And then you share the communal spaces with the people on your floor, if that makes sense. Perfect. And then I know communal restrooms raising a question about what they may look like. Unfortunately, I can't show you guys in person, but if you want to take a little look at this poster board over here, the bottom photos show the bathrooms for this building, and then the top right photos show the kitchen areas. And then I do like to emphasize that those spaces are cleaned 6 days a week, so never super dirty or anything.
Does every dorm building have the kitchen area?
Yeah, so every building will have a kitchen area. Like our apartment style ones have it in the unit, but for the suite and traditional style, it will be like communal one for the hallway.
Are the apartment ones still just Beatty and Keys Condos?
Yeah, so Keys, we have Lakeside now, and Beatty as well, yes. But those ones, I will say, those in the suite styles especially, because they're a bit more private, are usually taken by second, third, fourth years before freshmen have the opportunity to select housing. So I wouldn't say it's out of question, but also don't place your bets on living over there. But sometimes people are lucky. But yeah, this is our most common type of room here on campus, so this is pretty standard for the first years of them.
Thank you.
Okay, behind Jennings Hall is Diamond Village Apartments. These are all apartment style. And right across the street is Beatty Towers. I should give you a better look here. Okay. Beatty Towers is also apartment style. So if you're staying at either of these apartments, you'll be sharing the common areas, but you may get your own room. You may share a room. What you'll probably do is share a bathroom no matter what. But you won't have a bathroom on the hallway. You'll have a bathroom in your apartment. And you'll have a common kitchen area. And depending on the type of apartment, you're either going to have two or three roommates. There's either 2, 3, or 4 people in the dorms. Again, Diamond Village Apartments and Beatty Towers. And they're right behind Jennings Traditional Dorms. And there's the market for Beatty Towers. Okay, across the street from Jennings are the Honors Village. And those all look like fairly new buildings. And I believe those are also apartment style. Again, here's Jennings. It's just right across the street. Very nice looking.